Good morning. Welcome to Shaw's Backyard Gardening. Have you ever seen this plant? Look at it. There's beans here. And then look at this purple, pink clusters of flowers. Once the blooms drop off, the beans appears. This whole plant came from one bee. This plant is very easy to take care. You don't need fertilizer. I just planted the bean and let it grow and provide support. That's it. These plants can be grow for decoration, and also you can harvest the beans for food. You can plant these beans in late April. Directly sow the bean in the garden soil, outdoor. That's it. I will harvest some pods. This type of beans it's best to eat the pods. While the beans, you can see the beans is tiny inside. This bean look like slow pea, but it's not a slow pea. These are young beans. It is a very beautiful plant. Lots of pods. Oops, back some flowers off, that's fine. You can see this plant grows very tall. It can grow about 10 to 14, 15 feet tall. I'm a 5'5". You can see how tall this plant gets. This is all the beans I just harvested. I want to say these beans smell very good. I love the smell of the bean. However, this bean, if you eat them raw, they are very toxic. The toxin called cyanogenic glucoside levels in these beans are very high. If you eat the pods raw or eat the matured bean raw, you will be not feeling good. The symptoms of toxic can be upset stomach, vomiting, severe case, kidney failure, and convulsion. We just have to make sure we boil this bean in the boiling water for at least 3 minutes until cooking neutralizes the toxic. Then you can add these beans to your dish. Hyacinth bean. To clean the hyacinth bean to prepare it for cooking, see this little here, if you take this apart, oh, that's too tender, even doesn't have a string, so that's good. Okay, this is very young part, so no string. Okay, again, let me see the older one here. Oh, also no string, so oh, here, there's a string. Take this string off the pad. This bean so young and doesn't have much string. This one has string. Take this string off and then take this side string off. Some of the parts are so young, so there is no string. Like this is a very young one. This very yummy. This is leftover, you don't want it. This as a string part, I took it off. These beans are good source of protein, vitamins and minerals, and dietary fiber. And they are good for gut health. Okay. Okay, this is boiling water. It's a boil. I will put this hyacinth bean into the boiling water for 3 minutes at least. Okay, the water is boiled, so I will let it boil for 3 minutes. 10:55. So I will do 10:58 at least. That's the beans. I cooked this beans for about 10 minutes instead of 3 minutes. Now I just dump the water out and I keep the beans. This is just the carrots and garlic, banana pepper and spice pepper. And sprinkle with some toasted sesame seeds. It's done. Yeah, it's time to try. This is carrots. Carrots is crunchy. This is the beans. Very yummy and spicy. I put some soy sauce, but the red one is pepper, so it's very spicy, but it's really yummy. You're supposed to eat this with the rice and the bean. It's really very yummy, delicious. It has a unique flavor. I love it. The reason I eat it, Hyacinth bean is I grew up with it. My mom, she just steam the beans well and dead down. Then we eat it. I never know these beans can be toxic until now. I grew up. I do some research. And I know it, you cannot eat these beans raw, must be cooked and cooked good until toxins are gone. Then you are safe to eat. You don't have to eat since these beans are toxic and you don't feel comfortable to eat, you don't have to eat. So just make sure if you want to try, don't eat a lot. Make sure you cook them until they are dead done. Then it can be very delicious. Eat a little bit is fine, but make sure you cook them. Definitely. Thank you for watching.